Welcome to Born in Flight, up in the snow-clad mountains of Himalayas. This is the story of a mythical white Himalayan bird, a white bird that lives completely in flight. One that sleeps during the flight, eats during the flight, and defecates during the flight. And therefore, it also gives birth to the newborn during the flight. And what happens to this newborn in the flight? The egg hatches, the baby bird gains gravity. It has only so much time to start flying before it crashes somewhere. And surprisingly, almost every single time, the bird manages to put wind beneath the wings, gives itself its life and starts flying. Like this bird, think of you and me. We are in the journey called life. We get these moments of truth, moments of change, moments of life transformations and breakthroughs. And if I can say, these are our baby birds. Unless you and I put wind beneath the wings, our baby birds crash and die. We at Born in Flight believe in your abundance potential to put wind beneath the wings and fly high and achieve change, breakthrough, transformation in every area of your life, personal and professional. Every time we forge a new relationship, we are born in flight. Every time we take a road less traveled, we are born in flight. Every time we form a new habit or break an old one, we are born in flight. Every time we form new beliefs, new values, new identities, we are born in flight. Every time we find new purpose for our life, we are born in flight. With Born in Flight, sign up to fly high.